Friday, and welcome back to Around the Island. I'm your host, Katie Delano, and rain or shine, or whether you are tired or just dying inside, the show must go on. Or, well, I guess in my case, this show. Yeah, so sorry for missing last week's upload. Personally, I've kind of been busy getting ready for an upcoming milestone that I am honestly I still can't believe it's actually happening. Senior year, whoop whoop! I've reached senior status. So that means yes, mlamutat mua school for all public schools and Palau High School. For many, this is just another school year, and for some, it will be the first year of many memories yet to come. And for that few percentage, it's their last year of being young, dumb, and broke. Or, I guess, just young and dumb. But who cares? You know yourself. Sorry. Speaking of work and other stuff, let's get on with business and get to the stuff we're waiting for. July 20th, this coming Saturday, ngayon a tablol event happening in two different places. So don't miss out on an amazing day of diving and fun at Fish and Fins. The Paddy Women's Dive Day is happening this Saturday, July 20th. There is still time to sign up and join us for an unforgettable experience. You can sign up now at the Fish and Fins office, or you could call them at 488-2637. Also happening on July 20th is a free admission movie night at the Victory Chapel Church in Lurwobel, Irai. Tomorrow at 7 p.m. You can sit back and relax and join us for what promises to be a relaxful night. For more information, you could call 775-5756. Coming up this week, Wednesday, July 24 and Thursday, July 25, we got three super exciting events to share with you all. For all you gamers out there, we got some events lined up that I know will pique your interest. At the West Plaza Hotel on Lebu Street, they are hosting not one, but two showdown tournaments. Player Unknown's Battlegrounds Mobile, a 4 versus 4 arena tournament, and the Tekken 8 Battle Showdown. Sign up now and try your hand at winning the grand prize of $1,500. You can find the link to sign up on the Palau Visitors Association Facebook page. On the following day, July 25th, also taking place at West Plaza on Lebu Street, is an event called the FinTech Palau 2024. The main event will cover digital transformation, Palau stablecoin, and digital residency, and so much more. You can contact 767-2506 for more inquiries. Now, before we end our time together for this week, I would like to take a moment to express my gratitude to Senator Andrew Tabalwal for supporting my show and keeping it on the air. Your contribution means a lot. And one more very important shout out to Ohana. Please come back soon. I need at least one other stable mind helping me deal with all this media madness. Miss you. Can't wait to see you when you come back. So that's it for this week, ladies and gentlemen. If you're watching this on YouTube, please go ahead and click that like and subscribe button and comment down below and share your thoughts, whether they be comments, concerns, suggestions, or violent verbal reactions, whatever. What's the saying? I'm sorry, it was on the tip of my tongue, but I seem to have forget. Sorry, it's Friday. It's been a very stressful day, so I'm very excited for the weekend to get some time on R&R. But any suggestion, whether it's good or bad, is still a suggestion and can be taken into constructive criticism, is what my teacher used to say. So yes, if you're scrolling on Facebook, the same goes for you as well. You can also message me directly at KT Delano or slide into my DMs on Instagram at chaotic.ktd, and that is chaotic with a K. So till we meet again, this is KT signing off.